Hello, Eagles. Coach Kimball here, and I'm just going to give you a quick tour of what you can expect to see on my Canvas page to make things a little bit easier for you. So, this is going to look a little bit different from your view, and so you see all these symbols that have an eye with it crossed off. You will not be able to see these. So, your section over here is going to be a lot smaller compared to mine. So, the main thing is that we're going to be using is going to be announcements and modules. And so, right now, when I look under modules, this is completely blank, but it will not be that way come when school starts. So, but everything on here will be here. And so, I'm going to switch courses right now. And so, as you can see, this one has a lot more in it. We're still working on this before we, send it out to y'all. But every single day is going to be labeled. You'll have requirements before you can move on. So, like before you can do, like this lab safety test, I'm going to make sure that you submit, everything before you can do that. And so, but everything will be labeled on here by day for you, so it will not be confusing for you at all. Just make sure you complete the task each day. If for some reason you can't move on to one day, it's because you didn't do something that was due the day before. So you have to make sure that you are getting your things done each day on time. Otherwise you're going to fall behind and your grades are, going to struggle. So, unlike last year's teachers, I do make sure to take off points for each day late. So that will be automatically taken off for you. So just make sure you are following the modules, going over things every single day, and anything you need, just reach out to me, send me an email, send me a remind message. I will have my syllabus up here for you to look at, and it has all the remind codes there for you, and I'll also be going over that the first day in class on our Zoom meetings.